Class, today we will going to discuss chapter 14 Symmetry of class 7. The aims and objectives of the chapter are to know more about symmetry, as we have done the symmetry in the class 6th also, to know about line of symmetry and rotational symmetry. Symmetry. If two or more parts of a figure are identical after folding and or flipping, when it's said to be symmetry. To be symmetrical, the two halves of shape must be the same shape and size. If the shape is not symmetrical, then it is said to be asymmetrical. Like I have some objects in my hands. If I put a horizontal line on it, it will be symmetrical. A vertical line on it is also symmetrical. A vertical line on it will be also a symmetrical thing. And this frame is also symmetrical. As you can see here, these are all our symmetrical objects. Line of symmetry. It is imaginary line which divides the image into two halves. If I am talking about this frame and I have to put a line in it, this is a line of symmetry, but it is imaginary because when I have not drawn on it, it's an imaginary line. So this is called line of symmetry. As you can see on the screen as well, there are so many shapes are there and there is symmetrical line of symmetry. Line of symmetry of a regular polygon. If all sides of the angles of a polygon are equal, then it is said to be regular polygon. Like equilateral triangles हो गया, square, all the regular polygons are symmetrical shape. In the regular polygons, the number of lines of symmetry is same as the number of its sides. Okay, now have a look. There is a triangle, equilateral triangle. The line of symmetry, the number of side is 3, the line of symmetry is 3. In the square, the number of side is 4 and the line of symmetry is also 4. In the regular pentagon, the side are 5 and the line of symmetry is also 5. Regular hexagon, sides are 6 and the line of symmetry is also 6. Rotational symmetry. If we rotate the image at the center of point of image at 360, then the number of times of the image looks the same, shows the rotational symmetry. Example, I have taken this frame and I marked from here. Okay, I have to move it to the 361. So I am starting here. First I have to make the same image. So I have to put it like this. Now it is same but the angle is down. So I have to put in how much remove I have rotated 180 degree and again 180 degree. It will be 360. So how many rotations are there? 2 rotation to keep it in 360 degree. Okay, so this is called rotational symmetry. So what is the rotation? How many rotation is here? 2 rotations. Let's have a look. If the figure rotate at a fixed point, then the point is called the center of the rotation. It rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise. While rotation, the measurement of angle which we take is the angle of rotation. So what is the angle of rotation of this figure? Is 180 degree. If the angle of the rotation is 180, then it is called half turn, and if the 90, it is called quarter turn. What is the rotational symmetry in this given figure as given in your screen? First, D is on above. Now D is on the left side. Again D is in down, and again in right side, and again in upper one. So how many folds are there? 90 angles. We have rotate on the angle of 90 degree, and 4 times we have done this. So what is the order of rotation? That is 4. And what is the angle of rotation? That is 90 degree. Same in the starfish. Starfish is moved at the angle of the 72 degree for 1 turn. So to give it full turn 360 degree, we need to do 5 turns. So what is the rotational symmetry? What is the order of symmetry? That is 5. And what is the angle of rotation? That is 72 degree in the starfish. I hope you all understood. Thank you.